conductor?
That's me.
It don't make me no difference when you want to sit. Wow. Oh, number 8 right there. Look, he done kinda did some do right there. When he moved. I know. We're fixing to go. Woo! We're leaving out the station, y'all.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Please be sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their fully upright and locked position. In the event of a water landing, the person next to you can be used as a flotation device. Please extinguish all smoking materials at this time. Smoking will be permitted when we reach our assigned cruising altitude of 37,000 feet.
Baby.
Oh, wait. Sorry, wrong speech. That's my night job. Good afternoon and welcome aboard the Superstition Scenic Railroad. My name is Bruce. I'll be your engineer, conductor, brakeman, gate man, tour guide, chief, cook, and bottle washer. Feel free to stand up and turn around whenever you'd like to. And we'll start with these big old mountains off to the right there. That, my friends, is the western face of the Superstition Mountain Range. It's about 5,000 feet above sea level up on top, and geologists tell us that it was formed 30 million years ago at the edge of a volcanic caldera. Today, the entire mountain range is 250 square miles of federally protected wilderness area.